Hey guys, here's a weird little video for you about the lithium install on our RV. It's an unboxing of all the components. Hey, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Mark.
And this is Sailing Lunacy.
RV edition.
Today is like Christmas. We ordered all of our solar, lithium, and components for the RV.
Went down to the Miami Boat Show a few weeks ago to interview pretty much everybody that sold lithium batteries, and what we came away with was a company that we were really excited to work with, and more importantly, they were excited to work with us.
So exciting!
First, razor blades!
So we went with 200 amp hours of lithium, which is almost exactly what we had in Lunacy. Lunacy had 225 amp hours of lithium that ran our entire boat. So 200 amp hours in this RV is going to be crazy.
And it is a Volkswagen Rialta, so the battery storage compartment on the front of that only has room for 2 Group 27 batteries. So this is the largest battery that we could fit in the space, and the biggest battery bank we could get in the space without.
It's heavier than I thought.
Well, it's significantly lighter than lead acid batteries.
I couldn't have picked this up if it was lead acid.
Yeah.
There's no way. This is crazy.
So the new batteries are from Battleborn. 100 amp hours apiece. What else is in the boxes?
Ooh. Go for it.
Alright, so first is our Victron MPPT 100/20 solar controller. I wonder what could be in this.
So we upsized just a little bit on the MPPT just so that we could add to the system down the road if we felt like we needed to. We didn't want to be right at our limit with the MPPT. It's cheaper to go ahead and just get a little bit bigger unit and be able to grow later.
Yeah. And in the Victron terminology, the 100/20 is 100 volts in, 20 amps out. So that's kind of how they name their products.
Guess what I have?
What do you have?
The Victron Multi-Plus Compact 2000 inverter Woo Power.
So this is an inverter charger. So this will take shore power, programmable for lithium batteries. So we'll be able to program it to charge the Battleborns. And it'll also convert that 12 volt power into 110.
So this was a purchase we wanted to make. We did not ever do this on the boat. We had just like a tiny cheap inverter, and you used an extension cord, and you went to the extra cabin where everything was plugged in. So if I used my immersion blender or a galley thing, I went to the bedroom to plug it in and charge and do it. This makes all of our outlets live.
Yeah, and it also on the boat, if we needed 110 anywhere else in the boat, we were stringing power cords everywhere, and it was a little bit of a mess. So this will go right into the system, and like Jen said, make everything live.
I just plug things in outlets and they'll work. How crazy is that?
Next in the box, connecty bits. We gotta have connecty bits to tie everything together.
So excited.
That was the other really cool thing about working with Dragonfly and Battleborn is these guys talked us through the Rialta. We went over distances from A to B on everything. And
they knew our rig.
They knew our rig, and then they helped us spec out cable sizes. They helped us spec out fuses that were needed. So hopefully this is less of a science project than we had on the boat, because we wound up making some, we're not experts in this, so along the way on the boat we had some tough lessons where we made some mistakes here and there. And
that's a really good point. We don't know what we're doing. We don't know what we're doing. So to have a customer service department that actually helped us build this is really exciting.
You want to do the next one?
Go for it.
Alright, Orion DC to DC charger. This is going to take alternator power or battery power. With this unit you can do either. You can go direct to the alternator, direct to the battery, and it will charge the lithium batteries. So Since we had to go kind of small on the solar, since we didn't have a whole lot of space on the roof, and we'll be driving a lot, this is going to help us keep the batteries topped off.
For reference on that, with Lunacy, we had 720 amp hours, or 720 watts of solar, and now we have 200 watts of solar. Big difference in charging this, and almost the same battery bank, so big difference in solar versus boat versus RV. Next up, digital multi-control. This kind of just shows you what's happening. Again, we didn't have all of these gadgets on the boat, and so there was a lot of guessing as to what was happening. But this is a multi-controller, so it tells you inverters on, overload, low battery, mains on, bulk, absorption, float, blah.
What does that do? I thought that's what the next thing did.
No, that gives us our levels. Full power system control.
And I'm going to have to read up on that because I don't remember exactly what that does.
We might have a duplicate.
No, I don't think so.
What's next?
Next is the battery monitor, and again, it's a Victron Energy product. Like all the Victron stuff, not everything Victron, but all the stuff we got, it's all Bluetooth compatible, so you'll be able to look up the stuff on your smartphone from anywhere within Bluetooth range. And this will mostly just give a state of charge of the batteries.
This one's Bluetooth, but we'll figure it out. What's next?
Next is just a fuse. It's the master, or the main fuse that we need to keep things from melting down and catching on fire. Which is important to have.
So that's it for today's packages. I think we have.
Do you want to open the solar panel?
Oh my gosh, solar. Outside of Battleborn, we ordered some other things that they just don't carry. So some stuff to go with the solar, brackets, boards, fun things like that. So the exterior cable entry for the RV.
For the penetration of the rooftop.
Penetration. What is this? Cables?
MC4 cables.
Oh, exciting stuff. So this is really just to show you, there's way more to it than, hey, I threw some lithium batteries in the RV. It's a complete system, and this was something we learned the hard way with the boat. There's so much more involved than what we were told originally, which was this is plug and play. You just take out the old batteries, put in the new batteries, and boom, you have lithium.
Now to be clear on that though, you can take a lithium battery and plug and play into your existing coach or boat, but you're not going to be maximizing, you won't be maximizing that battery bank. You can plug and play, but you're never going to be able to top off the batteries, and that's where all this other stuff comes into play, because lithium charges at a higher voltage than typical lead acid batteries.
All right, let's put it all together.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching and following our adventures. Come back for the next episode where we do the install and kind of show you how it's all set up in the Rialta. See you next time.